Hey guys, I am back with another video. I'm doing a handbag of the month. We're in August and I know August is almost done and I'm really late with this. I want to make this a habit of filming um, all the different bags that I wear in a month. So without further ado, let's get started with my video. Okay, so this is my handbag that I've been using for the month of August. This is what it looks like. This is it. It has this nice detail at the bottom right there. Um, it has these nice, what do you call this? Oh crap, I can't remember. But you guys can see, this is what it is. It's attached to the bag. Um, it has these straps, these handles. One thing that I do not like about this bag is the fact I don't think that the craftsmanship was really good, because if I am holding this bag like this every day, chances are that it's gonna tear right here. And I bought this bag at the beginning of August to use, and I'm pretty sure I'm only going to be using it for the month of August. But this is what I'm working with right now. I bought it on Amazon. I would try to find a link to put in the description box for you guys to see. There's also these straps, which I love. For some reason, I actually like bags with these type of straps. Okay, so these are some straps on the side. You can hold it like this, and it's really cool. Okay, this is my makeup table that I'm filming this on, my vanity. Okay, so let's get into what's in this bag. So I have these, this is where I keep my keys. These pom-poms is really cute. I have keys, I have all my cards, etc. on this. I have a water bottle in here that I keep. It's almost empty. I have this bag that I keep. It's a multi-purpose bag that I keep in there. And in this bag, I have things like hand sanitizer. I have hand sanitizer. I have this small lint remover in there. I have my sinus allergy medication in there. I have a pair of gloves. I'm not a germaphobe, but I do like to carry things to prevent me from touching gross stuff. I am a nursing student. I am also trained in cosmetology, so as I said, I'm not a germaphobe, but I like to keep things in my bag for sanitary purposes. I have Band-Aid in there. I have my headphones, earphones in there. I have pen. Oops, that just fell. I have pens. I have my portable power bank in there as well. Sorry about that. So yeah, so this is like a multi-purpose bag that I keep a whole pile of stuff. I actually got this bag at a 99-cent store when I used to live in California. I don't know if they have a persons who are in Cali, Southern California. You might want to pick one of this up. It's pretty cute. I've had it for a while. Next up, I have this mini notepad that I keep. It's actually pretty good. The thing with this is that I like the fact that they have this ring at the end, and the paper inside of it is actually hard, which I like a lot. Okay, what else do we have? I have my iPhone 5. I know it's outdated, but I don't really care. I'm not big on phones. The thing is with me is, as long as I can make a call, receive a call, I can check my mails online, I can go to social media, I'm not really into keeping up with the trends when it comes to phones. I have this Steve Madden wallet. I actually have the bag to match this, and I'll probably show you guys that bag in another video when I'm doing another handbag of the month video. So this is the bag. This is the wallet, right? I have my cards and stuff in here. I keep dollars, paper money in here and stuff, and that's my wallet. Okay. What else? I have my makeup bag in here. I really love this bag because it's big. It holds a lot of makeup. I used to be really obsessed with carrying a lot of makeup in my bag, but then I found that number one, it makes my bag extremely heavy, and it's really not necessary because I don't really touch up my makeup when I'm out. Whatever I put on my face, I keep it on my face until I get back home. The most I would do is just blot if I have oily skin, so I tend to blot my face. And what I've been doing lately is I've been using these disposable sponges to blot my face, and it's been working pretty good. I used to invest in the blotting paper sheets, but I don't like them. But these sponges, I just walk with 2 of these in my purse, and when I need to touch up, I just blot my face with it, and it does a really good job. So I just have random lip products in here. I have a mascara. This mascara is so good. You guys should really invest in this. I got this at Ulta where I live. I'm in Jersey, so I got this in Ulta, and it is really good. Another thing that I've been loving is this lip shine that I got at Ulta too. It is from the same brand, Essence. I'm waiting for this thing to zoom in. Essence Shine Shine Shine. This is really good. I've been loving that. So basically, only lip products, the only lip stuff I have in this bag, because the only thing that I do touch up while I'm out are my lip products. Okay, and I have a this Dove Intensive Cream. I use this to moisturize my hands, and I have a compact in here if I can find it. Where are you, Mr. Compact? I don't know where it is. I can't find it. It should be in here. Come on now. Come on, come on, come on. Here we go. And this is LA Colors. I don't use this powder, but I bought it at the Dollar Tree because I wanted to carry a compact in my purse that has a mirror that I can see. Look at my face to see what I'm doing. And that's me. That's me in there. Hi. Okay. So this is my makeup bag. My makeup little bag that I keep in there. What else do I have? I have my shades, my sunglasses is in this bag. If I can open it with one hand. I have my sunglasses in here. I go through sunglasses a lot, so I don't really buy expensive sunglasses, but I am obsessed with sunglasses because especially when the sun is really bright outside, I hate squinting my eyes. I cannot look out when it is really bright outside. Like, I cannot see. I mean, I don't wear glasses, but I cannot look outside when it is sunny. So I need sunglasses. So I have an umbrella in here. I always walk with an umbrella. I have my phone charger. Now this phone charger is really neat because it has 2 ends that you can use, because I have an iPhone and an Android phone. So basically there's one end that I can charge my Android. It's really busted, but it works. I should probably be looking to get a new one soon. And then I have another end that I can charge my iPhone with, which is this right here. All right, and then the end goes into the wall, so that's that. And then let's look at what else is in this bag. This bag has some pockets on the side. So there's one pocket here, there's another pocket here. This is where I keep that pad that I showed you guys, that right hand pad. I stick it here. I stick my 2 phones here. And then we have this inside pocket right here with a zip. I have this I have had this for a very long time. This is actually the Sharp memo pad thing, quick reference guide. And you can put people's phone numbers in here, email addresses, and stuff like that. This is really old-fashioned, but I've had it for a very long time, and it's still going strong. Receipts, nail. I keep these antibacterial wipes. I have feminine personal wipes that I keep in this pocket right here. And that's about it. The bottom here I just have some receipts. There's another pocket on the side right here where I just put paper towel, napkins. I need to blot my face. This in here. Alright, and this is it. This is the bag that I've been using for the month of August. And stay tuned for... it's actually a really nice bag. At the bottom it has these nice detail. There's another pocket right here. I don't use it because it's not big enough to hold anything. I think it's just for fashion. So yeah, that's it. This is my bag that I've been using for the month of August. I will be doing a giveaway. I bought some jewelry and I don't like them, so I'll be doing a giveaway. I also bought some shoes from AMI Clubwear, and there's some of those shoes that I don't particularly like, even though I bought it. I will be doing a giveaway soon, so stay tuned. And please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the notification button. I will be uploading a handbag of the month video every month. Hit the notification button. If you like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Okay, so that was my handbag of the month, as you saw. So this is the end of my video. If you guys like it, subscribe, hit the notification button. As I said, I will be doing some giveaways soon on shoes and jewelry that I bought, so just subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. I would reply to any comments that you leave for me, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.